We're gonna start this video off on a good note with some food. We got some Bob Evans. Haven't had Bob Evans since last week. You know. Why did they do this? That still looks good, but I wish they had it separate. I wish they had it all separate. You know, that kind of still looks good because I'm hungry right now. But yeah, we're about to do this. What should I say? This hair reveal. You know, I did something crazy with my hair. Nothing crazy. I cut it. Cut it bald. I'm bald. I'm like skin. I'm skinny. I'm skin to the. I'm bald headed. I'm bald headed to the skin. So you guys gotta stay tuned. If you guys haven't seen that the giveaway video, congratulations to the winner. Also, if you want to be entered, all you guys gotta do is comment under this video and say enter me in the giveaway. I'm doing this giveaway every month. Every month. You know, we eating big. We eating barbecue sauce. You need that. But yeah, I guess I'm gonna holler back at you guys here in a minute. If you are new to the channel, make sure you guys please subscribe. Don't forget to smash that thumbs up button. We got videos every single day. Let's get it. A lot of people ask me, how many attempts does it take for you to make this shot? So let me show you guys how many attempts it actually takes me. One. It just takes one. A one take. They call me one take Drake, alright? But anyways, you guys are on the right video. You guys are about to see, well, you guys are already seeing it, but I cut my hair. I'm gonna give you guys some B-roll as far as what my hair looks like. As you guys can see there, I cut my hair. You know, and it reminds me of, I'm not gonna lie, like it reminds me of, like I had this haircut literally 15 years ago. 15 years ago, so it kind of reminds me that it takes me back. It takes me all the way back. But yeah, tell me what you guys think. Drop the comments below. Of course, you know, I had to get the lines well maintained, well maintenance up. You know, this is actually day one. So this is early. I literally just got it cut. I always want to show you guys, you know, my hair reveal. We are going to continue to do the contest, which I'm doing the giveaways each and every month at the end of the month. All you guys really got to do is comment under the video and say enter me in the giveaway. So if you guys want to be entered, I'm going to be doing a specific giveaway strictly on this video. So if you guys want to be entered in the giveaway, all you guys got to do is drop the comments below and say enter me in the giveaway. That's all you guys got to do. And yeah, let me know what you guys think. Of course, my hair was like, it was a point my hair was out here, but it was a different type of, it was out here. Like it was just a different type of craziness with my hair. So it was out here, you know, I wanted to change the look. And I'm going to be breaking down exactly why I cut my hair, you know, in another video. And I'm gonna break down different reasons and stuff like that, you know. But the main reason is, I'm gonna tell you on the video. You know what I mean? I'll tell you on the video. But I hope you guys enjoyed these videos. I'm gonna continue to do. It's March. You know what I mean? A lot has been going on, especially in this world. So today we are going to be doing that giveaway on this video. You guys see my hair. You know, it's like a fresh start. You know what I mean? I want a fresh start for you guys. I know a lot of people out there have been going through a lot. So I just want to bring that positivity, that light, that joy to you. Because you're out there, you know what I mean? And we'll continue to talk about Yeezys. A lot of people have been asking me about these Yeezys and which Yeezys I like. We're gonna continue to talk about the shoes. We got stimulus checks. We got giveaways. We got taxes. So we got a lot of other stuff on this channel as well. So you guys want to stay tuned and subscribe. And like I said, I'm gonna break down why I cut my hair, the reasoning, you know, what influenced me, and why I didn't cut it before. You know, because you guys know I've been growing my hair out. Can I get some quiet? Alright, I've been growing my hair out for, it's about 3 years, you know, but I've always, like I grew it out, but I've always maintained it. So like I've always had it cut down. I've always, you know, it was big. My hair was out here, but it was always maintained. Like I was never looking crazy. I've always cut it down, and I even was still going to the barbershop while it was growing out and getting it cut and getting lined up and stuff like that. So I always maintained it, and I always made sure that it didn't get too crazy. You know what I mean? It didn't get too crazy. So I'll be breaking that down in the video as well. But let me know what you guys think of my hair. You know, I really hope everybody's having a blessed day out there. It's the beginning of a new year. It's the beginning of a new month. We got March going on. I gotta erase that. I got February still up there, so I gotta erase that and set up some new goals for March. And that's what I'm gonna be doing. I hope you guys are setting goals for March. Achieve your goals. You know, be beyond this hair reveal. Hope you guys are setting goals out there and achieving them. You know, March, it's a new month, new set of goals. So let's go get it. Let's go get these goals. Let's get it. Let's get it. I always got something that's gonna motivate you or me somewhere in the background. So we got a little bit of motivation right there. But yeah, like I said, I feel good. I feel like 15. like, and not even like, obviously, but I mean like my hair. Like, this is how my hair was when I was that young. Like, I haven't had it this low in Maine. You know what I mean? It's been a while since I had it this low. So yeah, let me know. Drop the comments below. Let me know what you guys think. You guys like this look better? You guys like the long hair? Which one do you guys like? So yeah, cut my hair off. We've got an unboxing. I got a package from Herbalife. So we're gonna start this whole new journey, right? We're gonna start this whole new journey. I'm gonna start it with you guys. We're gonna do this unboxing, and then we're gonna break down what's in the unboxing, and then we're gonna break down, like I said, we wanna set these goals.
You need to set these goals. I'm telling you, alright?
Package in. You guys take protein, you guys taking any, you know, this strictly from Herbalife. If you guys are hip to it, you guys know about it, you guys already know like what's going on, right? You guys already know the nutritions, you know, you guys are. And I'll break this down in another video, but I'm just gonna unbox these, that way you guys will know. Got the cookies and cream formula. And it's all about what you're putting in your body. So like I said, we got the healthy meal Formula 1, then we got the 24-hour athlete, we got that, and then we got the protein mix as well. So guys, I'm gonna be doing some more detailed reviews on this, just like a lot of other things that's gonna be going on my channel. So guys, I want you guys to stay tuned, stay loyal, stay blessed, stay true.